Having an online business sucks ass, bro. It's trash. I don't do intros because I don't like to waste time. You know my name because you know how to read. You clicked on this video because you're thinking about starting an online business. You're still thinking about it, aren't you? Don't do it, bro. It took me 9 months to make my first sale online. The goal was to get in and out, make a few bands, have a party full of strippers passing out drinks while listening to Future. Instead, I'm at home trying to learn how to input transitions in the Final Cut Pro X without losing frames, or how to get paid in full from courses on Teachable. Last, how to make infographics on Canva. You can find all this on YouTube, but you'll also find videos explaining how easy it is. Look at these people, man. They're happy, wealthy, free. They're living the dream, and for the life of me, I can't find a solution. They have a system they've created for themselves that keeps paying them month after month, and I look at their videos, nobody's sharing. Nobody's sharing exactly what they did. I'm tired of people bullshitting, and I won't continue the pattern. The first day I made money was $500. That was 2 sales in one day. And at some point, I have a video, of course, to show you what I did. But if you're looking to make a lot of money fast, there's only one video I recommend. It's a team of guys. They came up with this plan, executed that plan, made millions, turned around, and did it again. I don't know about you, but one day, I'm looking to be on that team. One day.
Oh. So personally, I don't like to do outros either. But if you like the video, hopefully you already subscribed to the channel and like the video. Maybe I'll see you next time. Peace.